Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete recent file in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first, open your Adobe Express. Now I can say now recent file delete. Now I can say this all recent file. Now select from first recent file. Now click from three dot option. Now click. Now click from delete option. Now again click from delete. That is. Then again others recent file delete. Now click from three dot. Now click from delete option. Then again click delete. That is. Now you can see delete recent file in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.